Subscribe to BookwoRm
and press the bell icon.
Watch various interesting educational videos.
Hello, welcome back to our channel BookwoRm. Friends, this is not a typical lecture video, but this is an educational video which will going to be very interesting as well as informative for all of you. In this video, I will show you how you can make a PowerPoint presentation very easily. Before starting, let me introduce you briefly what do we mean by PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. PowerPoint is used to create business presentation and also used for educational purposes. Helps to enhance the teaching and learning experience for students. As well as you can beautifully present your work and innovative ideas in schools, colleges and higher platforms. So this is Microsoft 2016. For creating new presentation, you have to click File, then New. Then you can see there are lots of templates are there, and you can select any of these as per your convenience and as per your style. Or rather, you can search online by clicking business presentation or educational presentation, anything as per you like. And online you can see there would be thousands of presentation are there. Thousands and hundreds of presentation are there. And you can select any of these. But for me, I will select the blank presentation, just for example. And now I will take some minute to discuss the layouts and tools. These are all the tabs. And if you click these, tools will be shown. And these are all called ribbons. Like transition, animation, these are all called ribbons. And if you click the home ribbon, all these are called groups. It has been arranged according to the groups. And click to add title. I will write, just for example, PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation. Okay. And in click to add subtitle, I can write my name like Shukriti Sharkar, or you can write anything which you like to write in your subtitle. So this is my first slide. This is my title slide. And if you want to change your theme fonts, you can select the whole sentence and you can change your theme fonts according to that. And you can see there are lots of theme fonts are there. And I will select any of these. Just for example, I will select Bradley Hand, which looks beautiful. And if I want to change the theme fonts on my subtitle, I can select Times New Roman. So this is the first slide. Now, if I do not like the blank presentation, I can add design, and there are lots of designs are there. Or rather, you can search online, as I have shown in the previous part of this video. Now, this is the one I have select, one design I have select, and now if you want to add some new slides, you can click on new slide, and there is title slide, title and content, section header, comparison slide, content with caption, picture with captions. And you can select any one of these as per your convenience. And in comparison slide, you can compare between the two content which you have to like to compare between the two. And in this comparison slide. So let's move on. Now for me, I will select title slide. And in this click to add title, I will write what is PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? Okay. And in click to add subtitle, I can give some highlighting points, and these are from which I have to do some bullets, which you can see in the screen, from where you can search bullets and numberings to highlight some main points. For me, I will choose one, and you can arrange the paragraphs by clicking this as per you like. And here I will write educational purpose. One more thing you have to remember, you have to keep your mind that while doing the PowerPoint presentation, you are not writing any story. You have to highlight some main points for which you are doing this presentation. Now, if you want to if you want to underline your content, then you have to click U for underline. And if you want to add some theme colors to your content, you can add by clicking this, and your theme colors will be changed, just like I have taken one. Now you can add some shapes by clicking insert and shapes, and here you can see lots of shapes are there: circle, rectangular, oval, anything, arrows. I will choose one, rectangle. And if I draw the rectangle in my presentation, the color of the inside is being colored green. Okay, now I will like to change the shape styles. I can change this by clicking the theme styles. Now if I want to add some pictures which I have already in my desktop, then I can add by clicking pictures, and from the desktop I can choose any one of this, or rather you can choose online. And you can change the picture styles from this, and there are lots of picture styles are there, and I will select just for example double frame. You can change the style of the picture to look your presentation beautiful. Now if I do have to add table, then with these squares I can add this table according to the columns and rows. Now just for example I have taken one. See, you can see on the screen that one table is being added. And in this table I can write anything which I want to write, just like I have written quote number. According to rows and columns I can write anything. And if I do want to show my presentation more beautiful, I can add animation, and my presentation will be animated and beautifully being presented. And if I add floating animation, animation is being added in my content. And if I do want to add some transition in my presentation, there are lots of I can see cut, fade, push, wipe, split, anything. And for example I will take one, just for example split, and you can see transition in my slide. Now if you are, now I I can add a new slide in my presentation. As you have shown in my previous part of this video, I can add any slide as per my convenience. I will click this one, and if you are doing this presentation for mathematical purpose, you can add equations, area of the circle, just for example I have taken, and also you can add symbols. Just for example I will take omega. Okay. You have to click omega and then insert, and symbols will be added in your slide. It's so easy, right? It's just playing with the PowerPoint. Now, if I do want to practice my presentation after completing my whole presentation, if I do want to practice, because many of us want to practice before presenting in front of anyone. For that, simply you have to record your presentation by clicking record slideshow, and you can record from the beginning, and your presentation will be practiced by yourself. And when your presentation is being done, you can click from beginning, and your presentation will be shown from the beginning from the first slide, and your presentation is over, and you are just ready to present in front of anyone. And finally, your presentation is done. Okay. Now, when all your presentation is over, you can click file to save your presentation. You can click save as, and there is lots of destination folders for which you can select, and for me I will select desktop, and here you have to click save, and your presentation will be saved in your desktop. So guys, this is all about how you will present your PowerPoint presentation and the tools and layouts. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.